What if I told you, the best 30-inch gas cooktop of 2025 isn't from Wolf or Viking? Dramatic pause. After testing 22 models, we found 5 game changers that chefs love, including one under $600 that outperforms $2,000 brands. Want to know which one has the secret simmer feature? All links are in the description. Let's fire up the truth. Number 1. Empava 30-inch gas cooktop. This cooktop complements most contemporary kitchens with the differently sized burners that fit a wide range of pots and pans easily. The burners are sealed so that no food or liquid can get inside. It features solid controls with clear markings situated on the right side. The ignition is highly responsive and lights without having to click repeatedly. LPG/NG convertible, both nozzles included, delivers the same maximum BTU power to propane and natural gas cooktops, works manually without electricity. Capable for multi-purpose such as RVs, light cooking family, small kitchen and outdoor use, etc. Compatible to install above any Impava 24/30" under-counter single-wall oven. Safety features. The 5 world-class made-in-Italy Sabaf gas stove burner by Empava features one of the latest flame failure thermocouples auto shut-off protection technology that prevent gas leak to keep your home and family safe. Number 2. Deli-Kit DK257A03 Gas Cooktops. This cooktop by Deli-Kit is stable, safe, and energy efficient. The cast iron grates provide durability and support heavy work, while the stainless steel design makes it resistant to corrosion. This 5-burner gas cooktop can be powered through gas or propane and has a 110V AC pulse ignition. The stoves and hobs are energy conservation safety, efficient and stable property. The design of the stove is elegant and modern. Burner heat input. This gas cooktop provides 5 different versatile burner sizes with a triple ring 11262 BTU burner, semi-rapid 9385 BTU, 25972 BTU burners and an auxiliary 3413 BTU burner. They will distribute even heat for simmer, boil, stir-frying, steaming, melting or others, which is very suitable for family daily use. Number 3. Frigidaire FFGC 3012 TS Gas Cooktop. The Frigidaire FFGC 3012 TS Gas Cooktop has a gentle simmer burner for delicate cooking and a quick boil burner for high-heat frying and searing. It features angled front controls that enable ease of use. The enclosed chassis design prevents the cooking combustion stability from being affected by the airflow. The continuous, heavy-duty cast iron grates offer the seamless movement of heavy pans and pots between burners and are sealed to provide easy cleanup and maintenance. This cooktop also has an LP gas conversion capability. Number 4. Thermomate Gas Cooktop. The Thermomate Gas Cooktop is a highly stylish natural gas and propane cooktop suitable for big kitchens and RVs. The surface is made of 304-grade stainless steel with plastic metal composite knobs and flat cast iron cooking grates. Its thermocouple flame-out fault system ensures that the gas is turned off when no flame is detected. Many reviews on online forums indicate the ignition is controlled by a push-type rotary switch that prevents children from touching it accidentally. Number 5. FOTILE GLS 30501 Tri-Ring 5-Burner Gas Cooktop. FOTILE GLS 30501 Tri-Ring 5-Burner Gas Cooktop is made from 304 food-grade stainless steel and heavy cast iron, which make it durable and sturdy. It is equipped with 5 burners, out of which its tri-ring center burner has 21,000 BTUs high output, which is ideal for boiling, searing, pan frying, and stir-frying, while other 2 left burners offers 13,000 BTUs, high heat along with optional griddle control, and 2 dedicated simmer burners with 3,000 and 6,000 BTUs delivering consistent and accurate low heat for delicate cuisines. It features multiple heat-resistant knobs to enable users to regulate the heat as they like. Further, the cooker has a flame failure detection system that suspends the gas supply automatically if it detects any gas leak or flame failure, which minimizes the risk of any fire hazard. Many reviewers love this product as the gas burner has an instant ignition system to ensure one prepares meals with minimum delay. It features toughened edge-to-edge grates to provide additional support to the cooking pots. So, which cooktop is your kitchen missing? Tell me in the comments. If this guide saved you from overpaying, smash that like button, it helps more home chefs find us. And subscribe because next week, we're exposing the luxury appliance brands that aren't worth it. Hit the bell so you don't miss it. Happy cooking!